two better get to class. You're gonna have to make up the test during your lunch.
Sorry again, Mr. Lee. We just really needed the money.
I understand. Did you make any money?
Some creepy guy stole it. Son of a bitch!
Oh, big words, Cyrus.
Also, that guy told us that he graduated from this school. You know him?
I'm not quite sure who you're talking about, but there was a student, Larry. I know that he's out there causing some trouble.
You mean that weird Larry from last year?
Yeah. Yeah, I remember encouraging him to go to college very often, and he never really listened to me. And I think he would have turned out better maybe if he had.
True. We're gonna head out now.
Oh, before you go, let me give this to you guys. Take a look at.
College prep for dummies.